Guys, this thrift store is never this good. This is insane. Wow, this jersey's worth a lot of money. I even begin to explain what just happened to me. $9.99. It's a nasty one out today. Thrifting. We're gonna thrift all day today. Alright guys, so I just made it to a thrift store called Hidden Treasures, and today we're gonna try to buy items for cheap in there and resell online for a profit. So let's see what they have in store for us today. First section that I like to hit up is the DVD section, so I'll let you guys know if I find anything. Dang, why are they charging $8 on this thing? They're ranking at 747 of it sells so fast. I mean, I could probably still make like $5 after fees, so I honestly might pick it up. So all DVDs are $2 unless marked otherwise. Last week they were actually running a sale on the CDs and DVDs. They were buy one get one, but now they're $2 each. No, unless marked otherwise. So like this one's $8. I do see a ton of sealed stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab all of the sealed items and honestly just make a pile and then see what they're worth. And then they have these really cool Game of Thrones sets, but they're not really worth anything, but this was one of the coolest shows of all time. I don't really think we're gonna find any luck in the shoes. It's like all dress shoes. All right, maybe we'll find some luck in the men's clothing. See if there's anything here. Let's start off with my size. I've been looking for some Polo Ralph Lauren clothing for myself, but this looks really small to be a men's small. The coolest piece here is a Six Flags polo with Bugs Bunny on it, but yeah, there's really not much else here. This piece is actually pretty sick, but the brand is Skins Game. It is made in USA. It's a polo. It's got this dope print on it, but it's actually not worth that much on eBay. But definitely look out for some items that are made in the USA. It could increase the value by a lot. Alright guys, so we just found this. I'm literally near the back room where the employees put stuff out, so let me walk away. So I found this GPS map 76CSX. It's $10. It's from the brand Garmin. Look out for some old Garmin GPSs and stuff, especially if they're in the box, because they could be worth a lot of money. Because look at these comps. $92, $97, $100. With the box, $170. With the box, $160. I'm gonna double check and make sure if everything is in here and it works, this is worth a lot of money. Let's take a look. Yes, that is it, guys. That is it. And then it appears to come with like all the instruction CDs/manuals, so I think we're gonna score really big here. Alright, but yeah, take a look at this. This thing is sweet. Wow, fitting this back into the box was way more difficult than it needed to be. Electronics that are underpriced. What is this? HP 9697 ink for $1. 100 brand new, open box brand new. 75. Guys, this thrift store is never this good. This is insane. For $1, do they have any more? Sheesh. I'm gonna need a cart after how big I'm scoring. Now we're at the Salvation Army, and man, am I excited to show you guys some of these finds. Not too. Any good sealed DVDs? Nothing really in the DVD section. As for brand new sealed DVDs, there might be stuff like this, like Thomas the Train, that could be worth something, but I don't really feel like looking through everything now. I'd rather give the store like a quick scan around and then come back and see if any of this is worth it. Guys, I cannot even begin to explain what just happened to me. I saw these at a quick glance and I thought these were all Nintendo games, but they're all light switches. Like from the back, like low key, from the distance it kind of looks like games, but man, that kind of hurts. That's low key funny though. If you guys need an oven and a stovetop, I got you. Alright guys, here we go. Here's some cool hats. No idea how old this is, but it's brand new with tags. This is a pretty cool vintage center check Adidas. Blue and green tags are actually half off today, and yellow tags are 99 cents. But at $4, I still don't think there's enough profit to be made on this, but it's still a pretty cool piece to find. Jacob's jersey's torn, and then yellow tags are 99 cents. It's just a Polo Ralph Lauren V-neck sweater, so I can't go wrong with it for 99 cents. You guys remember Johnny Bravo? This thing is pretty sick. It says UMass Original League. It's a size small collegiate wear. It's only $4, but I'm not going to pick this up because I don't see any sold comps, but please let me know if I'm making a mistake and if this is actually going to be worth something. I'd like to know for the future. This Notre Dame jersey's sick too. It will only be 99 cents, but it's just got too many like little holes and stains. Like it's stained on the back, you guys can see, but probably would have been like 25 to 30 bucks at least, but I'm gonna have to pass on it because it's in terrible shape. Here we go. Another polo piece for $1. Ralph Lauren Blake. And another one. Maybe I could actually bundle these two together. There totally could be money sitting here on the shelves between all the baseball bats and like the baseball gloves, just all the sports gear in general, but I just really don't know much about like baseball bats. Like I looked one of these up because this looked pretty good, and then it was only worth like 15 bucks, and then I can't go through all these gloves. I mean, I could if I wanted to, but I don't really know much about it. Whoa, shoot, now my hands are all black. Damn. This thing's actually pretty cool. It's like a soccer clipboard. You could draw everybody's positions and everything like that. So I came back up to the counter. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but there's a Madden 08 and there's a price tag of $199 down there, and it's for the Nintendo GameCube.
I was wondering what this was. I thought you stuck something in your shirt at first. I'm like,
oh, like I was stealing?
so are you like recording now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good.
Oh, this one?
This one.
This is what you gotta do.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, love.
Alright guys, now it's time to hit up the outlets. Let's see if there's anything here to resell for a profit. So a lot of stores right now are having their semi-annual sale. I'm gonna actually take you guys into PacSun. Look at that, buy one, get two free. Look at all these sale clothing racks. If you guys think I hit big at the first two thrift stores, I just raided PacSun. Literally 4 for $10 because they were buy one, get 3 free. Probably the only person that resells stuff from PacSun. I got 20 pairs in total for $45. I think I got an additional $5 off discount or something. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I have a ton of stuff to get listed that's in the back of my trunk right now. Everything is separated into different categories. This needs to go into Amazon. This needs to go into whatnot. Basically everything that's here has been accumulated over the past few weeks, but everything that I picked up in this video is in this bag or in like the top half of this box. I picked up this brand new DVD set, brand new sealed, and then next up I picked up this HP ink for $1. I know that some people have actually gotten zeroed for selling this on eBay. If you guys are unfamiliar with what a zero strike is, it's basically when a company comes in and says like, hey, you can't really be selling my product, and eBay actually might give you like a strike. I know OtterBox is definitely one of those companies. So yeah, I might just end up listing this on Mercari. I'm pretty sure this is probably going to be expired, yeah, February 2014, but people sell expired ink all the time, so this should be still worth around $30. And then before we hop into the clothing, I picked up some DVDs and a video game. So this DVD is actually going to be worth around like $30 on Amazon. I paid $4 for it, but I should be able to make $25 in profit. And then Madden 08 on the GameCube is actually a bolo. This is around $20 to $25 on eBay. And then this DVD was $2 and I should be able to make like $5 to $7 in profit. So first up we have this Polo Ralph Lauren piece. Yellow tags were only 99 cents. It's a size large. I was really hoping to pick it up for personal use, but it's a little bit too big for me. But you can't go wrong with Polo Ralph Lauren for $1. And then I also got another one for 99 cents, and this one was in brown. I should be able to lot these up on Mercari for like 20 bucks. And then the next two pieces are both Polo Ralph Lauren. They're both from the style Blake. It says Blake underneath right there. And they're actually both the same size. These probably go for around $15 individually on eBay, but I might be able to lot these up on eBay or Mercari. But once again, common theme, yellow tags, 99 cents. With this being said, not all Polo Ralph Lauren pieces are going to be worth reselling, but if you're picking it up for only $1, it's a great way to test out the market and see what actually sells and what doesn't. And then we picked up a Subaru black label jacket. This is actually brand new with tags. It's actually made from all recycled materials. Paid $2 and this should be worth around $15 to $20 on eBay. And then we picked up this Odell Beckham Jr. Giants jersey. It was originally $10, but once again, these yellow tags, man, they were so good today. Only paid 99 cents on it. And this is gonna be worth around $20 to $25 on eBay. And keep in mind, this is a youth jersey. If this was an adult jersey, this would probably be worth around $50 to $60. And then we have this Tweety Bird hat. Someone actually bought this from Kmart back in the day. They got it on clearance for $2. And I'm thinking I should be able to get at least $20 on eBay. And here we go, guys. This find was sick. Wow, this jersey's worth a lot of money. It was $5 for this Eagles jersey. It's got Nick Foles on the back, and this thing is worth around 80 to 100 bucks on eBay. So this was definitely one of the best finds of the day. So I briefly showed you guys these PacSun jeans yesterday. I ended up picking up 20 pairs at $2.50 each. This is how they look. There's two different styles. This one has Playboy on the front in black writing, and this one just has the Playboy logo on the back with a rainbow. This one's actually worth a lot more money. This one actually sold on Mercari for 54 bucks. And then these are probably going around like 25 to 30. But at $2.50, I'm reselling PacSun clothing. PacSun, guys. Like, just take a look at this, guys. $9.99 and the original MSRP is $69. Just blows my mind how regular people just go into malls nowadays and actually spend these prices, because this is crazy. So I think I got like 10 of these pairs and around 10 of the other ones. So let's just say the average of both kinds of jeans are around $30 per piece. At 20 pairs, that's going to be $600 in profit on these jeans alone. And I only spent 45 bucks on it, which is insane. If everything sells for what I think it will sell for, that's a $1,000 profit day. So how insane is that I could make $1,000 in profit by hitting up 2 thrift stores and the outlets out of all places to resell at? If you guys made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and watch my last video.